Boost your Shopify store. Strategies for success. Introduction. Shopify has become one of the most popular e-commerce platforms, empowering entrepreneurs to set up and run their online stores with ease. However, with millions of online stores competing for attention, simply having a Shopify store is not enough. To achieve success, you need to take proactive steps to boost your Shopify store and stand out from the crowd. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore various strategies and techniques to help you optimize your Shopify store for increased traffic, conversions, and, ultimately, greater success. Optimize store design and user experience. 1.1 Choose the right theme. Select a professional and mobile responsive theme that aligns with your brand identity. Ensure that it provides an excellent user experience on both desktop and mobile devices. One point two Streamline navigation. Organize your store's navigation menu logically to make it easy for visitors to find products, collections, and other essential pages. One point three Clear call to action CTA. Use persuasive and action-oriented CTAs throughout your store to guide visitors toward desired actions, such as buy now, add to cart, and subscribe. One point four Implement high-quality images and videos. Visual content plays a crucial role in e-commerce. Use high-quality product images and, if possible, product videos to showcase your products effectively. 1.5 Optimize page load speed. Speed is critical for user experience and SEO. Optimize your Shopify store's performance by compressing images, leveraging browser caching, and using content delivery networks CDNs. Conduct market research. 2.1 Identify your target audience. Understand your ideal customers, their preferences, pain points, and buying behavior to tailor your marketing efforts and product offerings accordingly. Two point two Analyze competitors. Research and analyze your competitors to identify their strengths and weaknesses. Use this information to differentiate your offerings and provide unique value to customers. 2.3 Monitor trends. Stay up to date with industry trends, consumer preferences, and emerging technologies to ensure your Shopify store remains relevant and innovative. Develop a solid content marketing strategy. 3.1 Start a blog. Publish informative and engaging blog posts related to your products, industry, and customer interests. Blogs can attract organic traffic and establish your store as an authoritative source. 3.2 Create compelling product descriptions. Craft detailed and persuasive product descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of your products, enticing customers to make a purchase. 3.3 Leverage user-generated content UGC. Encourage customers to share their experiences and reviews through UGC. Positive reviews and testimonials build trust and credibility, driving more conversions.
3.4 Use social proof. Display social proof elements, such as a number of sales, customer reviews, and testimonials to instill confidence in potential buyers.
4. Implement search engine optimization SEO techniques. 4.1 Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords related to your products and target audience. Incorporate these keywords into your product titles, descriptions, and blog content to improve search rankings. 4.2 Meta tags and descriptions. Optimize meta tags and meta descriptions for each page to provide search engines with clear and concise information about your store's content.
4.3 Build backlinks. Reach out to authoritative websites in your industry and request backlinks to your Shopify store. High-quality backlinks can improve your store's domain authority and search rankings.